afternoon, so it's Monday, February 22nd, and I am in the new main connection between east and west. Take a quick walk, starting from the front door. So here you can see the front entrance, main office. That's where the principal, assistant principals, and some conference rooms. And then this is the main entranceway into the high school. So we'll take a quick walk into the office area where you see the safety vestibule for visitors to clear through, assistant principal offices. We'll go down the hallway, some workrooms on the left, and the principal's office down here on the right. That's the way we end up. And again, some workrooms out into the main area. So as you continue down the hall, you see the cafeteria on the left. Straight ahead is the High School West 100 Hall. This is the Media Center. And that's the High School East hallway. This will be the entrance for our transported students. And we have our school store and some classrooms on the left, and that's the walkway into High School West. We'll take a quick walk into a part of the media center that you can have access to. They've got the temporary walls up to keep the cold air out. So this will be the media center. Again, taking you into the connection. It's really a beautiful facility. We're excited, making a lot of progress this winter.